The Area of Land indicator helps evaluate how effectively restoration pledges are being fulfilled. It tracks the extent of the area where the ecological functionality has been improved by restoration. IUCN has defined this as the area in hectares, where functionality, ability to provide ecosystem goods and services, has been improved by restoration. The results often go beyond the area of direct intervention. Welcome to the Area of Land indicator. Reporting on this indicator links directly to the ecosystems you have previously selected. We start with the landscape in question. First, you indicate the types of restoration interventions applied. Your options depend on the type of ecosystem you are restoring, in line with IUCN Restoration Intervention Typology for Terrestrial Ecosystems, which lists the best practices for restoring various ecosystems. For example, you select artificial regeneration in deserts and semi-deserts, and land or water protection in grassland, shrublands, and savannas. Then you report the extent of the area in hectares and your confidence on the quality of the data, with Tier 1 indicating non-spatially explicit data that may be incomplete or inaccurate, up to Tier 3 indicating complete and accurate spatially explicit data. The online tools listed in Indicator 4 can also be used to gather this information. You can also indicate the year that implementation began and provide links to any relevant sources, as well as additional information you might want to share. By identifying the area of land under restoration, this indicator tells us how effectively pledges are being met.